How to change profile picture in Edit. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your profile picture. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right top, you can see the profile icon. Simply tap on this profile icon. So here in your profile settings, here you can see a profile picture that's popping up. Now in order to edit it or change it, you cannot directly change it from this application. You must visit the Instagram. So here on the right, you can see this Instagram icon. Tap on it. So you're in the profile section of your Instagram. Now in order to change it here, simply tap on edit profile, and here you can change your profile picture by simply tapping on this photo face. So here you can change or import anywhere. So you can change or import any photo that you like. So choose a photo that you want to change and you'll be done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.